India, in the early 19th century, was on the cusp of change. The Mughal Empire that had ruled here since 1526 AD was on the verge of decline. The princely kingdoms in India were either fighting amongst themselves or were trapped by the British East India Company, who promised them protection for trade rights. In 1857, there was a revolt within the Indian soldiers who served the British Army, which is now known in the history as the First War of Independence. While this uprising was quashed, it was a watershed in Indian history and threw up several leaders. Of them was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. A jurist with British East India Company, he chose a different path to empower the nation. Muslims in India have traditionally been associated with culture, patronizing the arts, poetry and architecture. However, education leaned towards religious instructions only. Modern education, science and English were looked upon with suspicion and avoided. The result, while several other communities adopted the modern systems of education as brought to India by the British and progressed, the Muslims, however, did not, and an English-speaking middle class was non-existent among the Muslims in India. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, however, thought differently. Fascinated by the fact that a handful of people from a far-off land were able to conquer and rule a huge country, he believed that their system of education was a must for progress. With this in mind, Sir Syed put his life and soul into bringing modern education to the Muslims in India. His mission and effort were not free of controversies and allegations of being pro-British, but it did not bother Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and in 1875, he took the first step of realizing his dream of educating and reforming the masses by establishing the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, now known as the Aligarh Muslim University. This institution stands till date as a symbol of his untiring efforts that has changed the lives of millions and still continues.
Aligarh Muslim University is a unitary, residential, central university of India. Before becoming a university, on 14 September 1920, the university was established as Madrasatul Uloom in 1875, which later became Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in 1877. The founder's vision and mission of nation building, national integration, free inquiry, moral value and tolerance can be witnessed even today. By virtue of its exceptional government provisions, Aligarh Muslim University stands distinct from any other university in the country.
The Act of 1920 defines the university as the educational institution of their choice established by the Muslims of India. The Aligarh Muslim University Amendment Act of 1981, Statute 52C, empowers the university to promote especially the educational and cultural advancement of the Muslims of India.
However, the university imparts education to students belonging to all religions, castes, creeds and nationalities. Aligarh Muslim University has evolved by now into a colossal unitary institution. On the pattern of Cambridge and Oxford, the university has halls of residence. Each hall contains a cluster of hostels. The university takes pride in defining the student-centric approach to overall and curricular setup, which generates life skills, character building, creativity, innovation, leadership qualities, and scientific temper. The university offers 55 undergraduate, 100 postgraduate, 29 MPhil, 60 PhD, and over 80 certificate and diploma courses.
There are innumerable private and public colleges in town teaching humanities, sciences, engineering, and other subjects, but the demand ratio at the university is very high.
Aligarh Muslim University is known for its exemplary research and extension services. Maulana Azad Library is the lifeline of the university campus. It comprises 12,39,245 volumes. The University Games Committee maintains a wide range of sports facilities like playgrounds, courts, gymnasia, rinks, stadiums, and clubs. Some exceptional features of the Aligarh Muslim University are riding club, skating rinks, and AstroTurf. With its glorious past and promising present, Aligarh Muslim University is always going to remain an important pillar of strength in nation building.